Hi guys. नहीं हो चुप. So it's pretty visible that I'm a noob at this vlogging thing. So I couldn't film an intro because I'm really bad at it. So I'll just do a voiceover. So this is the entrance and it's so huge and so beautiful. This is the area where they take your car for the parking, and it's so pretty. I can't even begin to explain how pretty it is. This is me entering into the reception area, which took me about 7 to 8 minutes to figure out. Since it's so huge, it took me a lot of time to figure out where to actually go from. This entire area is the passage that you walk by to enter into the reception, and the aesthetic of this entire area is so beautiful, so luxurious and classy. Everything is made of a modern architecture, and you won't have seen anything like this before. So for walking quite a bit, we finally reached to this area. So now this is the passage that you take to reach to the restaurant, that is the Kian that we are going today. It is all by the pool. It's so beautiful. All you can see around is greenery, and it's so peaceful, so serene to watch. This is the way that you take, and it's all by the pool and by the water that makes it more beautiful. And there's this way that you take. It's so pretty. I know I'm speaking pretty quite a lot of times, but that is what it is. And this is the inside area where the food is actually served. You can also opt for the outside area, but we took for the inside one because it was really hot that day. And that's just me capturing myself. Now, when it comes to food, I know we didn't order much because we weren't hungry. We went by the waiter's recommendation, and she recommended us to try some dal makhani, the breads, and a dish that was similar to khichdi. I know khichdi, but it was so yum. For the dessert, we went by the Kian signature, and it was some toffee kind of stuff and was to die for. Hi guys. कोई इंसान कुछ बोल रहा था, चुप कैसे हो गया? कैसे हो गई तू इतनी चुप? फोटो सेशन. अच्छा ठीक है, क्विक रिव्यू फटाफट से 2 मिनट बस. हाउ वाज द फूड?
Yummy.
हाउ वाज द प्लेस?
Sexy.
हाँ ना, इट्स सो गुड. इनसे नहीं हो पा रहा. So pretty evident my friends are noob just like me, and the place is so pretty that all you want to do is click pictures, walk, take videos and admire the beauty of this place. It's so big that you would spend your day just in awe of how beautiful the place is. That's again me enjoying the sunshine by the waters, and it's my most favorite thing to do. Now when it comes to pricing, the place is quite expensive, so I would suggest you to go when there's a deal. So since it's a luxury property, you can expect your bill to go as high as 7 to 8,000 for a basic meal. So I would really suggest you guys to just look for some deals and then go for it. Like I went through Dine Out app and I got an entire 50% off on the whole bill. My bill was around 2,500. I'll attest a copy. These are the stairs that take you to a park kind of thing, and it's good for pictures, to just chill and have a really great time with whoever you are visiting the place with. This is the lobby that you take the exit from, and this entire area. So everywhere you will walk, you will just find spots so pretty that you just want to get yourself clicked and have fun. That's just my friend telling me to just buzz off because she doesn't want to come in front of the camera. Had a really great time just being there. The food was delicious. It stood up to all the expectations. This place is a must visit, and I would recommend you guys to visit this place at least once, and I am sure you won't regret. So guys, अभी थे हम लोग द रोजिएट में. हम लोग कियान आए थे, बट अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम इतना दूर आए हैं तो हम लोग रोजिएट हाउस भी एक्सप्लोर कर लें. तो अब हम लोग रोजिएट हाउस जा रहे हैं.
Basically, we have coffee there.
Yeah, and we're so excited. कम से कम भी 15 मिनट्स की ड्राइव को 1 घंटा बनाने के बाद हम फाइनली
रोजिएट हाउस आ चुके हैं.
और हम इतना थक गए हैं. थे, मेरे कोई मैप्स नहीं थे, हम दूसरे इसके आउटलेट पे पहुंच गए थे, आई मीन रोस्टेड के। तो
ये तो
ठीक है, अब जो है सही है।
यो
Now we are at the Roseate house. We came here to try their bakery, which is roasted. And this pastry is the best thing I've ever had in my life. Our last stop was Nick Baker's because we wanted to grab a cup of coffee because our gossips just never end. So we had a few left, so we just thought of grabbing a cup of coffee and calling it a day. And the coffee was amazing. So, all in all, it was a pretty amazing day. So guys, I'm back home, and since Nikita couldn't be a part of our exploring day today, so I have got her something from there. So let's just see her reaction and her review, because she's obviously, it's her channel, so she has to be a part of it. I know. So the pastry that we had earlier, I got the same one for her because that was really nice. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you really like it. See you in